Hey guys. I hope you guys are all okay. Today I'll talk about luxury brand Binsaw leather tourbillon mechanical watch and give a review that most people give up to 4.8 out of 5. Okay, so let's go to unbox this package. This package is hardly wrapped, we see, because the seller carefully sends it from AliExpress. We see that there is a headphone. Surprised? Don't worry, this is a gift for you if you order this product from this seller. This package includes one real Binsaw watch, one high-end gift box, in this case it is a headphone, one watch manual. Main features of this watch are designed by the famous Binsaw watch manufacturer. This is another amazing design. Tourbillon movement to bring the latest breakthrough. Automatic mechanical technology. Specially designed metal case with high-quality leather strap. Waterproof structure. Genuine leather strap. Strap length is 22.3 cm. Automatic movement function. Time, date, week, month. This is a mechanical watch, do not contain battery, need to manually wound. This Binsaw fully automatic mechanical watch provides all the convenience and durability of fashion watches for a working day. There is no battery function that automatically runs your weapon. Completely roll up the spring to turn 20 turns. If you wear more than 10 hours a day, no additional liquidation is required. All the small arrows on the watch can work properly. The band is made of leather, with high-quality stainless steel clasp. If this video helps you a little bit, then please subscribe our channel, share our videos, and comment us. And I give product link below in the video description. If you like this product you can order by this link. Thank you for staying with us.